I'm Chase Craig.
And I'm Brent Hansen with City of Trees Real Estate. And this is what you need to know in today's market.
And today we're going to talk about what you need to know if you have a home that needs to be fixed up before you sell it. So there's really three options we're going to be going over, Brent. So the first one is you can obviously just ignore it and sell the home as is. Obviously, this is going to end up with the lowest sales price, right? You're also going to have hurdles for clients who maybe don't have money to actually do the repairs themselves. So your buyer pool is going to go down, typically costing you money in the long run. The second option is, as a seller, you could go try and find the people that want to fix this property. You could make a bunch of calls, get a bunch of different quotes, coordinate all the people and do the fixing on your own. And then there's the third option. Brent, why don't you tell them about our third option?
That's actually why we created a program, because sellers didn't have a lot of options to make their house competitive in today's market. When you look at those two options, either the seller's doing all the work or they're losing money putting it on the market as is. Enter our program, the Improve to Move. Improve to Move means we will finance the cost of the renovation and hire the contractor to come do all of the work for you. When we sell your property, you net all of the proceeds of the new and improved property.
Yeah, so this is a great alternative for those of you looking to net the most amount of money when it comes to selling your home and putting a great product out there for buyers to take a look at. And hopefully you get more buyers interested in it and we can get you the most amount of money possible.
So if you want to learn more about that, go to cityoftreesrealestate.com and click the Improve to Move tab.